How to fix the Roblox age check error. Now, in general, we're just going to explain why this happens. So if you are getting an age verification error on Roblox, it just usually means the system couldn't verify your ID or selfie properly. This affects features like voice chat and the other experiences, but the most common causes are blurry ID photos, poor lighting, mismatched birth date on your account, unsupported ID types, or temporary server issues. So to fix it, first of all, make sure your birthday in your settings matches your real ID, since Roblox rarely allows DOB changes, so mismatches can cause automatic failure. And when retrying verification, use a valid government issued ID if they do ask for that, and place it on a flat surface with good lighting, avoid glare, and hold your phone steady during the face scan. So once you're doing a scan of your face, make sure everything is clear, so there's good lighting, there's no blur, and your phone is at a distance where it doesn't do any like weird movement, so pretty much your phone being steady. So if it still fails, you can try reinstalling the Roblox app, just re-logging in, or you can even go ahead and try clearing your Roblox cache. So to do that, just go ahead into your settings and then search for your apps. So in your device settings, so search for apps and then just go ahead and search for Roblox as well. You can go ahead and type that in over here in the search bar if that's available for you, or you can just manually search for it as you scroll. But we're gonna search for it anyways. So go ahead to your Roblox, press on the clear data in the bottom right, and then press on clear cache. But anyways, other than that, you can try switching to a different device, maybe something with a better camera. You can use a stronger internet connection, and if none of that works, you can submit a ticket through Roblox support and include the exact error message you're seeing. So that helps them resolve it faster, since after all, it's just an AI trying to scan your face. So hopefully one of these options can work for you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.